Hey everyone, so I'm putting this fuel pump in the fuel tank. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that when you're putting it in, so here's the fuel sender, and then this is the front of the car, so the back of the seat. You want to make sure that you put it in this way first and then drop it in. So kind of wiggle it in, but make sure it's this way and then put the float back in and then drop it in. Otherwise, if you have it this way and you do this, it actually will bind and your fuel sender will get messed up. So hopefully this helps. So now you can see that I put the float in first, then connected it, and now if you just drop it in, make sure nothing else is hitting. It'll feel like it doesn't want to go in, just keep pushing. And there you go. Now just line it back up. And that's it.